Ebusuafo mema obi bia akwa aba de ba Jane CN page so midin de adwoa searching sa akode obede wa pass a comment afa endra ensema ekoso ewo parliament house no eho sanso ena enjumtuni ababaawa ahofeso no Becca so ne maame a ochime no ewo no ne biological mother ono so ende ya betodwa se nyame ato ne nsa de afre no enti ebeka se nyame emfa ne kra ensieye eya rehosem papapa na adofo ensem no enchiremini sa akode a otondrom ewo Ghana hanom oye rapper ene sa akode rapper nya asem keto akra oye best rapper Ghana fu bebre epena sema enya asem keto akra na endra ensem ekoso ewo parliament house no ena sa akode apass comment afa na ensem asa akode ekina ene se eye title honorable na edida yen MPs ne so no eye ade a chese omo de adi agro omo egu Ghana ni mase papapa endra ensem ekoso ewo parliament house no ense emfata se MPs ayato aba amamo se monko represent yen ewo parliament house ensem ran manyen na mombo ayen no ense emfata endra ensem ekoso ewo parliament house ho no na eye title honorable no edawo so a enye dinketo esese modi edi agro kra entisa akode echese eye title honorable na eda yen MPs ne so no omo edi agro endra ensem omo ye wo parliament house no enye na adofie nyina endra ensem ekoso ewo parliament house endra eye 7th January omo eswe nanado in as president of Ghana na ansa na omo beswe nanado in no MPs no ekwo parliament house ekoto aba eyi speaker of parliament na speaker of parliament no omo eyi na omo eto aba no abato ne mu na yehu se eye honorable Carlos Kingsley Ahenkra washing ballot paper na ode edwane enimrika de honorable Carlos enim tu papa o hwim ballot paper na hono wona no wadu achi amanfo eta ne so omokoje ye popo kra endra ebimu bose endra drama akese ekoso wo parliament house no enya asem keto akra ensem fata se empenifo ayeyi mu se monkodina ya name mudi agrobi a yetesa endra ensem no ebeye bebra amanfo eka ho asem ekan se ye MPs no omo eguye ni mase papa endra na eno ena sakode apase comment afa ho se eye title honorable no enye dinketo esese mode ediago sa na mode honorable title na ededa monso no ediago ewo parliament house endra na adofienti ensema sakode etro ede eto on Twitter page o chese we just throw around the honorable title no sa ena sakode waka anasa ono so commenter wa pass ede afa endra ensema ekoso ewo parliament house no ehu etese okay because 2020 sakode release endwum bia endwum no release no amanfo bebre chese na ode eye campaign ede ama MPP ama yoku na hu ensem bebre MPP fo so etumi ewini aba no 2020 entese sakode nsembi ekoso a otumi ekeni na adofo yakọ ensem foforo so dia ene na yete esi eye Becca na kache ababa waso no fefefe Becca a obonjom ewo Ghana hanom na ye Becca ya Becca start ndwom so enyende kra dark da eye ndwuma na eye de yie papa Becca de baya Ghana fo ye so ni mu fefefe na nansemu ebeto dwa se Becca ena ne maame a ochime ne wo no omo empem enjokra na adofo ensem no nyina ewa abra trend wo social media nipa ode ebai eye Chris Vincent Japan ono ena oyopeni ewo GhanaCelebrities.com omo website no ono ena oyepeni eda ano na abra ura Chris ekoye Becca ne maame interview no ene ehu se Becca na ne maame omo entem enye chese engokura nya asem keto akra na se Becca kra Becca ya oware no yetiti se maame no kan se Becca amfa ono ne maame papa no engina na name se obatan na mom ode ne stepmother na ejina ho ene ensem ne de bebre Becca ne maame ekanya kan se Becca waru wie okoni fie kura Becca ne kunu no a oye Nigeria ni no onti nanim emfa emma maame na ene hu nsem be ye bebre social media amanfu twabo Becca twa se enna ho ye na o maame a wawo na u treat ni say na maame no kro wo Becca na Becca maame no esua she was very young ɛna ɔde ɛwɔ Becca nti ɛbaa ne saa no ɛha maame no yie papaapa nsɛm no bɛyɛ bebree wɔ social media yɛtete kora sɛ ɛyɛ Stacey Amoaten kora na ɔhyehyɛ akyi a ɔyɛ saa amanfo bebree tu Becca fo sɛ ɔnkɔ na ɔnkɔpa ne maame ɛkyɛw na biribiara ɛnyɛ fine na adɔfo no yɛkɔda ɛkɔsɔre yɛ a Chris Vincent Japan no a ɔyɛ panyin ɛwɔ GhanaCelebrities.com ɔmo page no ɔde aba abɛto social media sɛ Becca ne maame ɔdaeɛ a wansɔre na Becca ɛdɛn ɛna ɔbɛka na adɔfo yɛntie nsɛm a owura Chris Vincent Japan ɛtwerɛ ɛde ɛto ne social media handle ɔkyerɛ sɛ this is really sad. She actually messaged me on New Year and we spoke during the Christmas holidays. She even sent a parcel of gifts to my home address in the UK and I told her when I returned from Ghana, I will come and see her to thank her properly. Now she's gone like that. Now, Becca, what will you say to yourself? And in some way, Chris Vincent, watcher a day ato ne social media handle. We and say, following my interview with her, she became like a mother, always checking on me. She was a wonderful, caring woman. Becca's biological mother, Julie Yadrom Oti, dies after short illness in London. In some way, ura Chris Vincent Japan, watcher a day abetu social media, which is a Becca ne mami efim, rehosem papa. May her soul rest in perfect peace. Becca, so no mame anye fridia, sem Becca a day actual. You can never forgive yourself. If so, no mama, one settle moon differences now, and I hope say, Becca and Anna mama almost sorted things out. No baby, mammy will be an yame and fan cry and see ye.
Nanado, me when you are buying, okay, self opposition, whom you are no able in Schwarzenegger, Miss Nana di Nana. 4 years, me no never boom my own. Nana, any day in your life, so for me, I am Pino Jimmy Nana, can't wear me. Because yeah, it is we have done and I said you would TTA and take for me and because the Amodi and no one to be Fancham and I know crow we used to him. Savo to be no cost na brana. Na baby, na cost. One nipa, yes, a carrion chain, and you will hedge in you, only when you know. But what you are, Nana, a beya. Monfan and Quantua, I was a mensa. Fire before no Quantua, almost the cross I swear in the cross na again. We for where we are near cross. The cross I swear in for more Quantua. A butcher was to know no one never could see the ball. Now this snap a go. And to say your mother.
Tafo, can any ever can say Tafo Pancrono? And my shepherd Jenny, a month for a whole more a yino. They say in the Nimnesa Unmuyam for Osakuto or Co. Na Yenia deputy. Nanka or no any casama for master ye show me addition in some so abediachi eti and ne ofia Vincent and now all the net there Piero Nankasa made or being for the name na change up no cray Kaisenko upon Jumakoda no cray such a never no now Muno be Karamon you yen the ecosi a you be a young one na MSM and DC4 I'm here 3 years HSNB because you can't contact Wamontiasia. The entire makers are no say there's so much inconsistencies. Osha Mokasa no more. If you say ne pay meti omopanya your friend honorable Bezi. Or say parliament the yenye says no you will be all majority. If you say we kuta 137 and I went to kuta 137. Now independent candidate no dear or no known to me can say Sebi or no so your party and until no biabo be at meeting a baby. And then you may take us an answer. So almost almost majority side because they feel say kuta the majority number. And Contano me cabo moi metia say ye. If you say 137 no 137 until be at na baby or pay. Miniaba. Be at na baby or pay. Miniaba. When you say just a bo doom you know. And sana the last parliament no. Yakase you dissolve the cry. Unimsa. This is about say my favorite time no. About 10:31. Aka 1 hour
30 minutes. Ansana, Parliament, 7th Parliament of the 4th Republic, they dissolve it. And so far as that Parliament has not been officially dissolved, the position because Parliament officially has not dissolved. Ghana Mrano, the 1992 Constitution now has standing orders of Parliament and so on. Clearly, Emra, the Parliament, 7th Parliament, and dissolve officially. He said, no, do me no. Apart from that, the intermaker someone contained and said, Parliament, ye baby, ye shemra. And I'm saying, baby, ye shemra, and penny for you or more. Or more interpreted and answer more pension, ye meremono. Or more car somewhere. Jane, I was here, shall see this woman, Timamufonos, why a day. It is to be. If he said, Anche, Anna, I say north. In Yanity, I say, a high court judge has ruled, say,